So hi, it's Tech Dad. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a ring light from Neewer that I bought on Amazon. So let's go! Here we have a tripod to mount the light. It seems to be of pretty good quality. I can compare with my other one from Neewer. So this is the standard tripod that comes from with the light. From the same company, I will say the industrial model. It's just bigger, so you can mount some heavier stuff on it. Another little box that I will open. Here we have the accessories. A battery charger, the bracket to mount the camera or the smartphone, the DC adapter, a little ball head for the camera, a Bluetooth remote, and 2 batteries for the ring light, and finally a cable. So it comes with all you need. So I imagine the last thing in the box is the ring light itself. After that it's empty. So this is the 40-inch model. I'll show you. It is the LED one, so you don't have to replace any bulb. You can buy a bigger one. At the back, you have 2 colors of LEDs in this ring light. You have the white and the yellow, and you can control the temperature color that you want with both of this knob. Here we have a power button. Here we can plug the batteries. So this is it. Let's mount it and try it. Everything is mounted on a stand. It was very easy. This is the bracket to put your smartphone. If you take this out, you can put a camera here. So on the back I have a switch for battery or DC power. Now I didn't install the battery, they are not recharged, but I will go on DC. I have 2 knobs, one for the yellow and one for the white. I will begin with the white. This is like minimal setting, and I can go up to the maximum. So the light is pretty strong. I'm happy with that. Now we can try with the yellow one. And you can combine both. Now we'll test it with the camera, with my Canon SL2 on here, and we will see what it does to my pretty face. Now I'm in low middle setting for the white LEDs. I'm using the Canon SL2 with a 24mm 2.8 lens. This is the pancake lens, my favorite lens that I have. Now in the room I only have like purple LEDs on the back, a small window in my basement, but that's about it. It's very dark in here, just to show you. And the SL2 is right now in manual mode with an ISO of 400. So yeah, this is how dark it is. So if I put the ring light to the max, holy, it's very strong. Let me sit back a little. You can see the result. I mean, it's tough for the eyes, but it does a pretty good job of lighting me. You can control as you see, the power of the LEDs. Here I don't need to, when I'm near it, I don't need to put it at max setting. After that, you can also try to use the yellow LEDs. Now you have a hot color temperature, and you can mix the two to really have the color that you want. This is both at maximum setting. I can just decrease a little bit both color. So now you get a pretty good result. As you can see, one big advantage of a ring light is very uniform lighting of your face. This is typically very good for makeup beauty channel, for example. They often all use a light like this because there's no shadow anywhere, so you can really see how they do the makeup. For professional photographer or a YouTube channel, I think people prefer a big softbox. You will get more cinematic look, but it takes more place, costs often more money for LED, and a good LED model. To begin with, I think a ring light like this is very good. The only thing I have now are 14-inch ring, and it's perfect for a smartphone, but for a DSLR it's very limited. Now I have a SL2, which is the smaller one from Canon, and the flip out screen has to be barely in front of the light or behind it because it doesn't fit into the inner hole, but it still works with that camera. But if you have a bigger Canon, you might have problem with the screen. You should buy the 18-inch model. If you use Sony, it shouldn't be a problem. You have more clearance on the top. For the rare camera that does have a flip out screen from Sony, I paid about $90, included taxes in Canada. It's like $60–70 US. It's a very good price. It was on sale on Amazon. I think for me, for a channel with barely 100 subscribers right now, this would do the job, and it would be very easy for me to use in the future. Thank you all. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.